this is Shan. In this video I'll show you how to install iOS in the Cisco router using packet tracer. This is the Cisco router. This is a PC connected with the console port, and this is the TFTP server where the iOS is installed already. So first we need to assign the IP address on the TFTP server. So assign the IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway. The IP address 192.168.1.1. The default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway would be 192.168.1.2. We declare the default gateway is the 192.168.1.2. that would be IP of this interface. Go to your interface, go to your terminal, okay, and this is the Roman 1. Roman 1 means the iOS has not been installed so far, or the iOS has been corrupted, iOS has been deleted. Anyway, iOS is not working here. So we will install iOS through the TFTP server, and we know the IP address of the TFTP server is 192.168.1.1. Now in this time we will assign IP address in the router. So in the caps on IP underscore address, and then is equal to sign, there is no space, and assigning the IP 192.168.1.2. That's the exactly IP we already assigned in the as a gateway. So for this server, this is the gateway, and in this gateway the IP address is 192.168.1.2. the next command, IP underscore subnet mask is equal to 255.255.255.0, the same subnet mask what I already assigned on this TFTP server. The next is default gateway. So the default gateway would be same, default underscore gateway is equal to 192.168.1.2. enter. Now it is time to defining the TFTP server, because in your subnet, in your LAN, there are many TFTP server would be. So TFTP underscore server 192.168.1.1, the IP address of the TFTP server. We assign 192.168.1.1 here, so the exactly same is here, and then TFTP underscore file name, TFTP caps on TFTP underscore file is equal to paste, enter. Now TFTP DNLD, yes, this is the IP address 192.168.1.2, the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, the default gateway 192.168.1.2, TFTP server IP address 192.168.1.1, and TFTP file is C2600I-mz.122-2L.bin. Do you wish to continue? It is asking, do you wish to continue? So yes. If you just enter, the no value will be accepted. So Y and press enter, and forwarding the iOS from TFTP server to router has been started. Okay, the finish. The last command, reset, and enter. This is the self-decompressing the image. Self-decompressing means it has got an iOS and loading the iOS into the RAM to operate the router. Continue with the configuration dialog box. So now, and you have reached to the router command, and now you can configure anything here, just like host name. Okay, host name R1 TC. So your iOS has been installed here. You can verify here, show flash, and the iOS is this one. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.